Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to tap on notifications and status bar. As you can see in the status bar section, on the very first position we've got battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we can see only the battery icon on the status bar. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see immediately inside the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, if you do not like this option, if it is not suitable for you, just tap on the switcher again to turn it off, and from now on you will be left with only the battery icon, but let me turn it on because it's quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.